Hi, robotics students, and welcome to your first week of assignments for our remote learning for the Introduction to Robotics class. I miss you, and I hope you're all well. So, first thing you're going to do is you will go to our Canvas page, and like usual, there's information on the homepage for you. This time, my contact information is there, and it will tell you if I'm online or offline. Always go to our modules tab. That's what's going to actually direct you to the learning that we're going to do this week. So you'll see that there is a week A module, and that's the first module that you're going to complete. There's a page that gives you your lesson and your descriptions of what to do. There's an assignment that you'll be turning in, and then on Friday, there'll be a quiz. It's not posted yet because it will open on Friday. So here are your basic instructions. We're waiting to find out if we can get robot kits made available for you to use at home. That's a big undertaking, as you can imagine. And if that turns out to not be possible, we're going to be looking at lots of other technical skills that go along with our class, starting with coding. So for our introductory activity here, you're going to complete an hour of code. So, Hour of Code is a project that is run through the code.org website, and you can choose which project you do. So, here's the expectations. Choose any hour of code you want. The only rules are, please click the grades 9 plus and pay attention to the recommended age. Try the tab that says comfortable, meaning you're comfortable with not necessarily with the coding language. You don't have to know it before you start, but you're comfortable with the idea of doing some coding, which all of you are because you've been working with our Lego software all this time. And then pick one that honestly interests you. Once you're done, you're going to make a copy of a slideshow. That's the assignment that you will complete and turn in. And then that's how this assignment will work. So here, this is what the website will look like. So you can go ahead, click this, and it will take you there. So I played around with this a little bit just to see what kind of things you get. So here on the Hour of Code website, you can see I chose the grades 9 plus band. I looked at comfortable, I looked at beginner, and then I'll admit I saw the Minecraft one and I wanted to try it. So you'll notice it says grades 2 plus. So at first I thought, gosh, is that going to be ridiculously easy? Well, it is really straightforward, it turns out, but it's really interesting and enjoyable, and I had a lot of fun. So there's a bunch of different code tutorials that are part of the Minecraft assignment. So I picked the Hero's Journey one. And then this is what the coding interface looks like. There's a video, you're given a little challenge, you have to construct these sequences of code to execute and solve this sort of dungeon crawler puzzle platform over here. So it's really pretty neat. You can look at and see what the actual JavaScript code is for different aspects of these blocks that you pick. So there's a lot of stuff that you can learn just by doing this. So I thought it was really fun. So even though it said that it was intended for a low grade level, there's a lot of room for challenge. And each of these little puzzles has advanced and secret options in it. So you can really go for maximum if you want, which I would recommend you do. So that is how your first assignment should work. Once you've completed your hour of code, and dare I say, excuse me, let me move my face. Even while you're working, I would have your slides made and open. They're really basic slides, so please change them, make them pretty, and it walks you through your hour of code. The instructions are here again, just in case you need them. And you're basically saying, which one did you pick? Why'd you pick it? And then predict, what do you think you're going to learn by doing this one? Give examples of what kind of code you do. That might mean you can copy and paste text. It might mean that you need to take a screenshot of what you've done. And then afterwards, describe how did the hour of code end? What was the end product? What did you achieve as a result? And then think back. You made a prediction. Did you learn what you predicted? And then what surprised you? That is our first coding assignment outside of the world of Lego. So hopefully that's something that will be of interest to you. There are loads and loads and loads of different hours of code that you could pick. All right, these are just a few, and you can notice that I've exceeded. Oh, there we go. So seriously, pick the one that appeals to you. All right. So good luck, everybody. Talk to you soon. Keep learning.